Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Integrals can rank values fast, and this one is all about reading signed area from the graph so you can spot the order quickly. Start with the definition. G of x equals integral from 2 to x of f of t dt, which means g of x measures the signed area between the graph of f and the t-axis from 2 to x. So evaluate the easy anchor first. From 2 to 2, there is no width, so no area, which gives g of 2 equals 0. Then from 2 to 3, the graph creates positive area, so g of 3 is greater than 0. From 2 to 5, the negative area outweighs the positive, so g of 5 equals negative 2, while g of 3 equals 1 and g of 2 equals 0, giving g of 5 less than g of 2 less than g of 3. Well done! Option C is right. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rushing. Trust the given graph and check each area step carefully.